Sir, I just want to thank you. There are thousand reasons for teachers to feel demotivated. Maybe salary, maybe family background, maybe a thousand things. So I don't want to go into the detail. But before we could motivate children, it's very important for us to be motivated. And I think in 2 days, you have in many ways showed us the way. I mean, we first need to feel that we are doing a great job. Then only we can convey that to others. And most of the things that you have said, it's not that new things you have said. We knew almost everything. But it was good that it came fresh and you have helped us to refresh those. There are 2-3 things that I personally wish to say, though I have been teaching here for long, 22 years. But few things that I knew, but yet I never followed. So now it will help me. Like, I think personally this is my biggest learning, that rights of students also exist. We always go with that pre-notion that it's right to teach. So I think 2-3 things that you have written. A child has right to be treated as human being. I do believe in that, and I think everyone needs to believe in that. And there are many other points, so I'm not reading all this. The biggest thing, I think, though you have said it, but it was not written in that. So I want to add, you have written 10 points, I want to add one in that they have right to be wrong. And we as teachers need to accept that. And I think biggest learning comes from mistakes. If you find as a teacher a child's notebook is absolutely clean and very neat, methodical, I personally don't think the teacher or student is learning more. If there are thousands of cuttings, wrong efforts, then the child is actually learning. Thank you, sir.